Hello, how you doing? So today we're going to do another air fryer recipe. This one with lamb chops. Very, very easy. So some lamb chops in the air fryer. Now you can see that I've got 5 lamb chops. I'm using one of these guys, okay? I use this a lot. You'll see most of my recipes, I actually like to use these. So that is a aluminium or a tin foil type takeaway container. That fits perfectly into the basket of my air fryer. Now the reason I do this is because I've tried lamb chops straight in the basket and I find that they get a little bit dry. So this retains the liquid or the moisture for them. So what we're going to do is we're just going to hit that with some black pepper. I mean, it's very, very simple. Salt. And then I'm going to grab just a few other bits. But yeah, if you use one of these, works out really nicely. I've got here a handful of garlic cloves, the whole clove, not chopping it, just putting them in whole like that. I'm using thyme. You could use rosemary. Rosemary goes really nicely with lamb, doesn't it? But I'm going with some dried thyme today. About a teaspoon, I think, just on there. Then some olive oil. I've got a nice extra virgin olive oil there. And then here I've got 1 lemon. Just going to get the juice of that 1 lemon in there. And then that goes into the air fryer, 180, 15 minutes. Halfway through, I'm going to flip them. Okay, so you can see that that fits just nicely into my air fryer. Let's get it on. 180, 15 minutes. We're going to be flipping it halfway through. All right, there you go, beautiful. And like I say, that container has retained the moisture for them. Okay, so there you go. Now what I've done is I put them on the plate, and then any of the lemon, olive oil juices that we had, I just poured that on the top. There wasn't that much, but there's enough there. But yeah, they're nice and juicy. A little bit of parsley, a bit of tomato, make it look fancy. Love, love, love my air fryer. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.